Hi guys, and welcome back to Semajical Reviews, where I'm sure you might be wondering, James, haven't you already reviewed Ivor the Engine? Well, yes, I have, when it was just the 24 episodes on the DVD. But the reason I'm re-reviewing is because this is a review of the entire collection, every episode ever made of this nostalgic children's classic. And I mean every episode ever made. So we're going to start way back at the very beginning. Now, Ivor the Engine is a children's TV series created by Small Films Productions, headed up by Oliver Postgate and Peter Furman. And it is a story of the adventures of a steam locomotive who lives at the top left-hand corner of Wales, named Ivor. And the adventures he and his friends get up to as they go about their day-to-day work from Llaniog Station all the way across the country sometimes. Now, our main characters are, of course, Ivor the Engine himself, his driver, Edwin Jones, Jones the Steam, as they call him in the stories, Dye Station, the station master, Owen, the signalman, Mrs. Porty, the rich woman, the Crumblian District Choral Society, and obviously their conductor, or their choir master, Evans the Song, or Evan Evans, and other characters we meet along the way. Including Bluebell the donkey, one of Ivor's friends. Now, the first 6 episodes of the series were from 1958 and can be found on the DVD/Blu Ray Ivor the Engine, the first story, which actually introduces us to. Oh, and wait, the dragons, Idris, Olwyn, and their twins. I actually can't remember what the twins' names are. Okay. Now, as I said, the first 6 episodes can be found on the DVD/Blu Ray, the first story, which introduces us to the world and its characters, and tells us the 6-part origin story. And then that goes into the 1960s black and white second series, which is 26 episodes long. And now, the difference here is, well, obviously, these first 32 episodes are all black and white, but they're also like 10 minutes long instead of the usual 5 minutes that we're used to. But This series introduces us to the characters of Old Nell the sheepdog, Mr. Dimwitty, the coal miner, Mr. Pugh, the man at the gasworks, and a whole host of other characters. And we're introduced to such storylines as the Choral Society, where Ivor becomes a member. Now, that happens actually in one of the first 6 episodes, as I've just mentioned. The black and white series continues the story. And over 26 episodes. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because now both the first story and the black and white second series are excellent installments in the collection, and I'm reviewing these as a pair because, well, they're all black and white and they're from the 50s and 60s. In the 1970s, however, so no, these 32 episodes are fantastic. Although going into them, you will be given the option to watch them as they were originally transferred, which I will warn you now, may present you with a dip in the sound quality, though I personally actually never experienced that, or some fuzziness in the sound, which is why they give you the option to watch them as they originally were, and their original transfers with subtitles, so you can understand what the characters are, so you can understand what's being said, or as they're presented on the Blu-rays. Now, here we go. Now, the 1970s, the Colour third series. Now, you might remember the DVD only having 24 episodes. Well, the actual series itself was 40 episodes, all of which are available on the Colour Third Series DVD or Blu-ray, whichever version of the set you own. And the 40 episodes are 5 minutes long. And this would be how most of us were introduced to Ivor the Engine in the first place, with the first episode being The Railway, and the final one being The Retirement, or Retirement, with every episode in between ranging from the storylines of the Dragons to St. George. Now, you will find episodes you won't have seen before. I'm just gonna throw that out there now. I know I certainly did. Now, and these 40 episodes are fantastic, and, well, really, this whole collection is one for the fans. So if you're fans of Ivor the Engine, and you somehow don't own a copy of this set on either format yet, you owe it to yourself to buy a copy. The series itself, well, now that I've experienced everything they ever did for Ivor the Engine in form of a TV series, I am thrilled to be giving this review. As if you haven't heard me gush about it enough. because all the same characters are there in the colour version. So, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a Semajical time.